If you came for a fire-ass Kobe custom, you done came to the right place.
It's your boy Aiden.
And it's your boy Trey from H&L Kicks. Bring y'all another banger. First time doing some Kobe's.
Man, you excited about it, Trey?
I'm a little hype, man, because this is for our man's ex, Xavier Castaneda. That's it, right?
You saying pow? What are you saying?
Yeah, you know, you said it
I don't
right.
wanna-
You know,
I don't
he
wanna
ain't throw no-
disrespect,
he-
bro.
right, He ain't throw no accent on it, but you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, say how am I supposed to say it?
Xavier Castaneda. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, with the sauce. But X, that's our guy, man. Came through, dropped off these undefeated Kobe's. Boom, came with this whole theme. We're really excited for you guys to see the process.
This man is elite from Inter-American all the way to Whitney Young. Went to Whitney Young with it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Go Dolphins, baby. You know what I'm saying? Instantly. Bro, he's a state champion. Went to South Florida. And now he's at Akron. We already know bro gonna do his thing.
We're gonna be excited to see him rocking these shoes on court. Comment down below, let us know who your favorite superhero is. If you guys haven't already, drop a like, subscribe, join the family, you know what I'm saying?
It's just a family.
Be one of the
H&L,
guys,
baby.
the ladies, the bros, you know what I'm saying? We just be kicking it, come kick it with us, you feel me?
Appreciate y'all.
All right, catch y'all at the end.
Retro.
How about a little music to count me money too?
If you guys made it this far, I want to thank you. You know what I'm saying? Really appreciate y'all.
And y'all some real ones for watching to the end.
Y'all
man.
are the realest. Y'all are the realest. Anyways, definitely, man, subscribe, join the family.
Drop that like, Drop a comment if you rocking with it, and even if you're not rocking with it, let us know so we can improve if y'all not messing with us.
Yeah, let us know what sucks about our videos.
Yeah, we need that. Constructive criticism is crucial.
No,
Oh,
seriously.
that's alliteration right there.
It's crucial.
Yeah, constructive criticism is crucial.
Yeah, we're gonna have to start our own little acronym
Right,
or
we
something.
most definitely need to.
But
Hashtag.
definitely appreciate you guys. Let us know what you guys thought of the shoes. Anything else? I don't know. We got a very exciting next video coming forward.
Exciting.
Definitely. Almost like a collab kind of meetup type of thing. We can't really say too much, but we'll let you guys.
Most definitely.
Well,
It's
you guys
busting.
know.
It's busting.
It's busting. It's busting. That's all we're gonna say. All right, y'all. Peace.